What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we test real products so you don't have to waste your money. Today, we're looking at something that caught my eye because, honestly, the brand behind it has been making waves in the tool community. We're reviewing the SEESII 2-in-1 Tire Inflator and Car Vacuum. Stick around because this $64 gadget replaces three things in your trunk. This is the SEESII 2-in-1 Portable Tire Inflator and Car Vacuum. It runs $64 on Amazon, packs 150 PSI compressor, 20,000 Pascal suction, an LED emergency light, and it comes with two swappable batteries. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. Before we dive into this thing, let's talk about who SEESII is, because you might not have heard of them. They're a budget tool brand, but here's the thing. Channels like the Talk Test channel on YouTube have actually tested SEESII impact wrenches and been pleasantly surprised. One reviewer on Reddit said their impact performed almost equivalent to Milwaukee in torque output. That's not nothing. So when I saw SEESII made a 2-in-1 inflator vacuum, I was genuinely curious if that same value for money DNA carried over. Thing number 2. This is literally two tools in one plus a work light. On the inflation side, you get a 150 PSI compressor with smart presets for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and balls. Flip it over and you've got a cordless vacuum with two power modes. The LED has 3 modes including SOS, and all the nozzles, hose, and accessories store right on the device. One reviewer said they replaced their standalone inflator, shop vac, and flashlight with just this. That's trunk space saved. Thing number 3, the inflation speed is legit impressive. SEESII claims it can inflate a 195 55R17 car tire from 30 psi in about 20 seconds. Now, real world, one RV owner said he pumped his 16-inch RV tires from 50 to 80 psi, and one battery did 2 full tires. The auto shutoff feature means you set your target pressure and it stocks on its own. No guessing, no overinflation. Super beginner friendly. Thing number 4, the vacuum. And let's be honest here. This is a bonus feature, not a shop vac replacement. It gives you 20,000 Pascal of suction on high, which is great for car interiors, crumbs, pet hair, spilled cereal. Multiple reviewers confirmed it works well for quick cleanups. But a couple of people noted the suction was weaker than they expected. Fair point. This isn't replacing your shop vac, but for quick car cleaning on the go, it absolutely gets the job done. Thing number 5, and this is a big one if you already own SEESII tools, the batteries are cross-compatible. It comes with two 2000 mAh batteries, so you get about 36 minutes on low speed or 17 on high. One reviewer specifically mentioned they use the larger batteries from their other SEESII tools for even longer runtime. If you're already in the SEESII ecosystem, this is a no-brainer add-on. Thing number 6, and this is honest, there's one design choice that really puzzled people. This is a device designed to live in your car for emergencies, but it only comes with a wall charger. No 12-volt car adapter. A couple of reviewers specifically called this out. Also, the batteries will self-discharge over time, so you can't just toss it in your trunk and forget about it. You need to check the charge before road trips. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something to be aware of. Thing number 7, the lemon factor. Looking at the reviews, about 8% are 1 or 2 star, and almost every single negative review is the same story. The inflator didn't work out of the box. But here's what's interesting. One reviewer updated their review to say the seller contacted them, sent a replacement, and it worked perfectly. Another reviewer figured out they just needed to tighten the hose connection more firmly. So it seems like some units are defective on arrival, but the seller stands behind the product. At $64, that's a manageable risk. So here's the bottom line on value. For $64, you're getting a tire inflator, a cordless vacuum, and an emergency LED light, all in one device with 2 batteries and a carry bag. If you own other SEESII tools, the battery compatibility makes this even more compelling. 4.1 stars across 93 reviews, and the negatives are mostly lemon units, not design flaws. Final verdict. This is a solid buy for road trippers, RV owners, and anyone who wants to consolidate their trunk kit. It's not going to replace your shop vac or a dedicated professional inflator, but at $64, it doesn't have to. The SEESII brand has earned real credibility in the tool community, and this product mostly lives up to that reputation. Our one wish, please include a car charger in the next version. If this review helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more real product reviews. Drop a comment below and tell us what tool or gadget you want us to test next. The link to grab the SEESII inflator is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.